everybody. Welcome to another episode of Tokyo Nights.
Tonight we are staying in a hotel near Tokyo Tower to celebrate Dustin's birthday.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Akina. This place looks really awesome. It's very classy. The room itself has an awesome view of Tokyo Bay and just a lot of skyscrapers around, so I think it's quite good. But before we have our dinner that's scheduled at 7 o'clock, we're going to check out the surrounding area. Let's see what we can find. So we're checking out the area near Tamachi Station, and they have a really cool zone for restaurants and drinks.
Yeah, I haven't been to this area before, but this whole area looks pretty cute.
I like the shop fronts, like they have awesome signs, the restaurants are cool.
Yeah, and I like the fact that there are lots of non-chain restaurants.
That's
so
true.
Many of them look very, very nice.
So we got some more time to burn before this din-din. I think we should get ourselves a drink. What do you think, Akina?
As the birthday boy wish.
So we just finished with the dinner. That was a French-style meal. Thanks a lot, Akina. And it was pretty filling, though. Like, we had to take a break for a little while.
Little while, right?
So now we're out and about checking out the Tokyo Tower. They have a really cool color scheme on it. And what is the name of this park that we're in right now, Akina?
This is called Shiba Park, but we are actually in the premise of Zojoji Temple.
Okay. Yeah, so the temple is nice. It's under construction at the moment, unfortunately, but we still have an awesome view of the tower.
Yeah, actually, in normal times, they usually have really, really nice view of tower and the temple. It's a very cool comparison of traditional Japanese architecture and very nice, iconic, modern architecture.
So we found a different area of the park which we hadn't been to before, and it's really open, quite nice. It's actually funny, there's some people doing picnicking even though it's raining off and on, but you saw some reflections around here, right, Akina?
Yeah, on the buildings, and it's kind of raining as we said, so on the ground as well, so that's really, really pretty.
Yeah, it's nice to see it unexpectedly. It's very cool, very scenic. They're using a different lighting scheme on the tower than I've seen before, so something nice, and I want to see maybe up close. What do you think? We want to go up close to the tower?
Yeah, it looks like a Christmas tree now in a way.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so let's check it out.
Okay. So we got to the base of the tower here, and we found a little place to have a drink.
It's called Tango.
Unfortunately, the tower's closed now, so we can't go to the top, but I think we're all right. So overall, pretty decent little birthday weekend. Thanks again, Akina. Thanks again, Akina.
So if you like this video, check out the previous video we did in Tokyo Station area and hit the subscribe button because we're gonna do more of Tokyo Night series.
Yep, so thanks for watching this video and we hope you have a real nice night.
Good night and happy birthday.
Thanks.